Hey, what's up guys, this is Rajesh and you are watching Input Output Campus. So today in this video we'll discuss about the relational and logical operator in JavaScript in a very simple way. So before starting the video, please make sure you have subscribed to Input Output Campus and press the bell icon, because when I will upload a new video you will get the notification first. Okay, so let's see the relational and logical operator. How to use relational and logical operator in JavaScript. Well, for that, first of all, I have created a folder that is lesson 8, and inside that folder I have created a index.html file, and I have write the basic snippet of HTML code, and inside the body I have write the script tag. Okay, then I have run the server, and now we are here in the browser, and now we'll do all the operations of relational and logical operator in this console. Okay, for easy understanding I will explain you all the things in a very simple way with very simple example. Okay, first see what are the relational operators. So this greater than is a relational operator, then greater than equals to, less than equals to, double assignment and triple assignment. So these two are very important, double assignment and triple assignment. And what is the difference between these two, I'll discuss about it. Then not equals to and not double assigned. So these all are the relational operators, and these all relational operators return only true or false value. Let's see what are the logical operators. So there are three logical operators: and, or, and not. So these three are the logical operators. Let's understand what is the difference between these double equals to and triple equals to, or double assignment and triple assignment operator. Okay, we'll see all the things in the console. Okay, so if I write here 10 greater than 5 and press enter, you can see this is true, 10 greater than 5, which is true. And if I write here 1 greater than 5 and press enter, and you can see 1 greater than 5, which is false, and it return false. You can see here 10 greater equals to 5, and you can see true here as 10 is greater than 5. So if 10 is greater than or equals to 5, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Similarly, you can check the less than and less than equals to. Now we'll see double equals to and triple equals to a relational operator. Suppose I want to check if 10 is equals to 10, and I have give here double equals to a relational operator, and you can see the result is true as the value are same for these two. So the double equals to operator only check the value of its left hand side and the right hand side. If these two values are equal, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Now let's check by giving this inside the quotation mark. Okay, so you can see the value is same, here is also 10, here is also 10. Okay, let's see the result, and you can see the value is true. Now if we want to check the same thing using triple equals to operator, in the left hand side there is 10, in the right hand side there is also 10, but inside the quotation mark, that is the value is same, value is 10 and the value is 10, but the data type is different. Its data type is number and its data type is string. So the triple equals to relational operator checks if the value and the data type are equals to or not. If value and the data type is same, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. And here values are same but data types are different, so it will return false. You can see the result, the return value is false. Now if we check for this example, you can see the value is same and the data type is also same. The value is 10 and 10 and the data type is number, so it will return true, and you can see the result, the return value is true. Okay, now see not equals to and not double equals to. Okay, if we give here 10 is not equals to 10, this is false, so it will return false. Actually 10 is equals to 10, so it will return false. If we check the same thing using not double assignment relational operator, you can see value is same and data type is also same, so it will return false. And if we give here quotation mark or write this 10 as a string, and you can see this 10 is not equals to this 10. Yes, this is true. Actually the value is same but the data type is different, and this 10 is not equals to this 10, and this is true and it will return true. But if you check this for not single assignment, then it will return false as these two values are same. So here only the values is checked, and here value as well as the data type is also checked. This is false. Okay, let's now see the logical operators. Okay, suppose variable a equals to 8, b equals to 6, and c equals to 4. Okay, I have these three variables a, b, c. Now we'll check a condition using logical operator. I am giving here the condition a greater than b and b greater than c. So this AND operator will check if all the conditions are true or not. The first condition is a greater than b. You can see a is 8, b is 6. So a greater than b, yes, this is true, this condition is true. Then it will check the next condition, b greater than c or not. So b is 6 and c is 4, and b greater than c, which is true. If these two conditions are true, then this AND operator will return the true result. Okay, and you can see our result is true because these two conditions are satisfied. If any one of these conditions not satisfied, then it will return false. And if I copy it and let's check it, suppose the first condition is satisfied, that is a greater than b, and the second condition I have write here c greater than a, which is false. C is 4 and a is 8. C is not greater than a, which is false. So this condition not satisfied, so this will return false, and you can see the return value is false. You can check it for multiple conditions also. Okay, let's check it for multiple conditions like a greater than b and b greater than c and c less than a. So I have applied three conditions, and if all the conditions are satisfied, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. And you can see a greater than b is 8, b is 6, a greater than b, which is true, and b greater than c, b 6, c 4, which is true, c greater than c less than a, so c is 4 and a is 8, and c less than a, which is true. So all the conditions are satisfied, so it will return true, and you can see it will return true. Suppose if any of these conditions is false or not satisfied, then it will return false value. Okay, let's check it for OR condition using OR operator. So for the OR operator, if any one of these or if any one of these condition is satisfied, then it will return true. Suppose I have give here a is less than b, which is false, a is 8 and b is 6, which is false. And for the second, I am giving here b less than c, which is also false. I have give here two false condition, and other is c is less than a, which is false. Okay, let's check it. If all the conditions are false, then it will return false value. Okay, c is less than a, which is true, c is 4 and a is 8. So the last condition is satisfied. So if any of these conditions is satisfied, then it will return true. And you can see, suppose all the conditions are false, I have changes this c is greater than a, which is false, and all these conditions are also false, so you can see it will return false. Okay, so you can check this and or operator using different examples. So let's see the final logical operator, which is not operator. Okay, so not operator means if we write here false, so not operator, if we apply not operator here, it will reverse the result. So here I have write false, and if I give here not false means it's true, so it will return true. Similarly, if we write here suppose not true, so it will return false. So this is very simple and easy to use not. And let's check some conditions. Suppose 60 is greater than 40. So you can see 60 is greater than 40. This is true, and it should return true. And if we give a not operator here before this, and it will reverse the result. It should return true, but the true value will be reversed by this not operator, and it will return us false. And you can see the result is false. And finally, like the video and share it with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.